Hello and welcome to the B&B YouTube channel. I'm Nat, and I'm here to show you one of my personal favorite B&B designs, the Moccasin 14 canoe. The Moccasin 14 canoe is a small canoe. At only 14 feet with a beam of 28 inches, she's perfectly suited for one person. The Moccasin 14 kit comes pre-cut with CNC accuracy. The combination of our stitching glue technique and our finger joints make for an extremely easy boat to build. We recommend using basswood for all the inwells, thwarts, and gunnels. This helps keep the weight down. This is an older design for our seat, but our current seats are still completely adjustable, sliding fore and aft. All of our kits come with their own cradles. This is an older style cradle. The newer cradle is used in the construction of the boat. The new cradles also come with 2 pegs per side instead of this one. This canoe weighs nearly 40 pounds. With the canoe being so light, carrying it overhead is extremely easy. This canoe is designed for one person, but it is also possible to have a child, or in my case, a dog, ride along with you. As with all of our boats, they are puppy tested and approved. It doesn't take much for this little canoe to glide through the water. This canoe is perfect for those who want a quick launch and a long, comfortable paddle. There are 2 kit options for the Moccasin 14 canoe. The basic kit includes CNC cut 4mm plywood hull panels with finger scarfs, gear chine, and wire tie holes pre-drilled, plywood paddle blades, plywood templates for the breast hooks and thwarts to be traced and cut out, and plywood filled tools. The Level 2 kit includes pre-cut basswood breast hooks and thwarts, basswood, inwells, gunnels, and keel pre-scarfed and ready to be joined. The keel is made of southern yellow pine and ready to scarf and install. We also have plans for this kayak paddle and also the standard canoe paddle. With its simple design and ease of paddling at quick speeds, it makes for a great fishing platform. This flounder was too small and it was released shortly after. It's really easy to spend all day exploring new coves and creeks in this little canoe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in any of our kits or designs, please visit us at B&B Yacht Designs. And if you haven't liked and subscribed to our page yet, please do so. We very much appreciate it. Thank you very much.